Start in the name of Allah Almighty. Assalamu alaikum. I'm your class teacher. My name is Saher Gill. I hope you are fine by the grace of Allah. Now it's time to start a new work. Are you ready? That's great. First of all, what is the date today? 29th April 2021. Again, 29th April 2021. And what is the date today? Thursday. What is the date today? Thursday. Very good. Topic: counting in tens and ones. Again, counting in tens and ones. Before we're going to start to learn about what is tens, we have to know about the meaning of ones. Now look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are ones. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We called it? Yes, ones. Very good. Now look at here. Now we learn about the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, tens. How many mangoes are there? 10. That's why we called it tens. Okay? Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 mangoes, and we called it tens. All the things which you see that they are 10, we called it tens. Now look at here. Do this activity with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many markers? 10. How many markers? 10. These are group of 10 things. That's why we called it tens. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are 10 markers. That's why we called it tens. Very good. Now look at here again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many mangoes? 10. That's why we called it tens. Okay? Now look at here. 1 mango means once. 1 mango once. Okay? What is this? Circles. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many circles? 11. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You have to circles 10 circles. Okay, like this. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and draw a line. Make a group of 10 circles like this. Okay, These are 1, 10. Okay, and the remaining circle is how many? 1. This is ones. This is 1 ones. 10, 1 10, 1 1 ones. Very good. Now look at here. How many flowers? First of all, you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many flowers? 12. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You have to make a circle around the 10 flowers. Then first of all, you have to count the 10 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this, you have to make around the flowers slowly. Very good. That's great. Count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 10. This is a group of 110. Okay? And the remaining flowers are 1, 2. How many flowers? 1, 2. We write here 2. 2 ones. What is this? 2 ones. Very good. Count all the pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many faces? 13. How many faces? 13. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to make a round circle around the 10 smiling faces like this. Okay? This is 110. This is 110. Now look at here. Count the remaining faces. 1, 2, 3. How many faces? 1, 2, 3. Right here 3 ones. What is this? 3 ones. 1, 10, 3 ones. Look at here. How many ladders? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. First of all, you have to count the 10 things like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make a circle around the 10 ladders like this. Okay? This is 110. What is this? 110. A group of 10 ladders. And the remaining ladders are 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. 4 ones. Turn your page. Very good. What is this? Trees. Now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You have to count 10 trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now make a circle around all the trees like this, slowly. Very good. These are 110. Again 110. And the remaining trees are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. 5 ones. 110. 5 ones. 110. 1 ones. 11. 110. 2 ones. 12. 110. 3 ones. 13. 110. 4 ones. 14. 110. 5 ones. 15. Now this is your work you have to do on your neat copy. Again you have to write date 29th April 2021 and the day is Thursday. Topic counting 11 to 15. Like this: 110, 1 ones, 110, 2 ones, 110, 3 ones, 110, 4 ones, 110, 5 ones. Like this: 110, 1 ones, 110, 2 ones, 110, 3 ones, 110, 4 ones, 110, 5 ones. Very good. You have to write this page on your copy and learn this concept with the help of your parents. Okay, this is your homework. You have to learn about the tens and ones clearly and do it on your neat copy neatly. Then I will give you stars and smiley face. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.